the Skyliner, the door is closing. Alright, we get to go on a ride. We're going to go over and we're going to get some crepes and ride the Rat's Patootie. And hold on, let me get it. There we go. Zoom, we just got launched. We got launched, Jacob. We're going up. We're going up. We're going over all the beach resorts. Isn't this fun? This is my job. My job is to be on permanent vacation for the rest of my life.
Welcome aboard, Islanders.
Fly a helicopter after this. This is like being a helicopter. Only a helicopter can do what we're doing right now. Go slow and spin on the yaw axis. Are you looking to see how it works? Yep. So we just got reservations to go get crepes in, where are we going? Paris or Italy?
Oh, yes.
Paris. We're going to Paris. And we're going to get some crepes. Some crepes by the Eiffel Tower. And then we're going to ride the Rat's Patootie. Unless the line is 120, what was it, 135 minutes?
Coming into view is Disney Boardwalk Inn.
Well,
and Disney Boardwalk
we'll see what
Village.
happens.
From elegant
If we don't like it, we can just leave because we can do that now. We have year pass for free. Everything is now free.
Everything's not free. It costs $3,000 pass itself. So unless we go to the park 8 times or spend a lot of stuff here, it doesn't. It's just more expensive. But after we go here more than 8 times, well, now that's
Then it's all free.
The rest is free.
So we got to go 8 times.
At least.
We're going to be Disney vloggers for 30 days.
Yes.
Accidentally. Here is our crepes that we got. And our lemonades. At this place. Over by Epcot. It is super yummy. Jacob loves it. Your special lounge. You like it. The special annual pass holder lounge. If you spend a whole bunch of money, you get some pretzels. If you spend, it's normally, what is like $5,000 normally? $5,000 you get pretzels. And don't have to pay for the pretzels after spending $5,000. We didn't spend that. We had a special thing that we did. Oh, and you get some mint, some warm mint tea also.
And warm snacks.
Yes. Well, and you do get some fruits and nuts. Fruits to go with your pretzels.
And don't forget these.
And then you get a little button. That right there costs $1,000 by itself. Cost them that much to make it. Here's James in the VIP lounge trying to see what it's like to live in Morocco. From what I can tell, living in Morocco would be very difficult for James. As you can see, he doesn't know how to use their furniture.
We are going to Blizzard Beach again,
And Jacob's about to fall asleep.
and we're trying to keep Jacob from falling asleep like the last time.
Awake.
Stay awake. Stay awake. No. Don't sleep. Don't sleep.
I'm so excited for the guests that we have today that I feel like we should go
Breaks.
right into it.
And we're behind a bus again. A bus going to Blizzard Beach.
Words out of my mouth.
Here. Okay. Blizzard Beach. We're going in. Jacob is not asleep. And headed into the water park. Take 2. Hopefully no storms coming. And we can go to the wave pool first. Hard to get footage once we all start getting wet. Low flying gator. And there he went into the lodge. Beach house. There's James enjoying the water park.
They should have made it goofy. Why is it an alligator?
because he's frozen gator. Because the blizzard came quickly and froze him. Here they are at the top of the mountain. We will not be going to.
When you ski.
Here's the big wave pool. Not sure where. Oh, James went to get a life jacket. Jacob is playing in the sand. The best part of a water park is the sand. James is headed back out to the water. I figured he'd want to get one. There's all the pagodas.
Where's Jacob?
He's right next to you. And there's me. All right, now Jacob is trying to go out to the deep water. So this doesn't have the big waves or the tidal waves. It's just lots of rushing waves. Check it out. So this is the Animal Kingdom Lodge. James has found a tiny piece of grass. A big piece of grass that is now tiny. And there's... Oh yes, it's got a thatched roof. Huh. That's pretty cool. I guess it stands up well in hurricanes. Wow, inside the lodge. That's pretty amazing. I don't know. It's very nice here.
Oh, look, there's like a barbecue place. There's several restaurants.
Oh, wow.
One is Savannah Overlook.
I think we're in the main lobby. Oh, yes, you are
There's
here.
a Savannah Overlook outside. Boma is number 4. We came over to the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we wanted to look around and see what this is like. It's really cool. This is like a reading room. There's all these amazing decorations in here.
Yeah.
Look at all this, Jacob. Oh, we could go out here. Yes. Is it open? Open it.
One stop. Wasp. It's out of the way.
Can we, James, open it? Is it unlocked? Just try. Is it unlocked? Let's walk out.
How about we do the other door? Because there's a wasp.
Come on, let's go.
James.
Look at this.
Why are they stairs?
So there's where the giraffes, oh look, they put food in the trees so the giraffes come up and eat it. See, look, there's where, so you stay in these rooms right here. Wow, that's really cool. It's probably too hot right now. They're probably off sleeping.
So there we go. There's some animals out eating their food, looking around. And there's some birds going in the background. Oh, there's a giraffe. There's a giraffe, guys. Let's see if I can. There he is. All the way in the back, there's a giraffe. Kind of hard to see through the trees. Do you see him straight back?
Oh, I see it.
There he is. That's fun. Wow.
See you. James, look at that fire pit. That's really cool. Look at this place. Isn't that neat, Jacob? What do you think? You want to see stairs too? It would be so cool to stay here. There, Sarah and Jacob and James. Hey, Sarah, I see you. Hey, I see you. Hi. There's a fire pit. There's animals out here. There's giraffes and stuff. Let's go see what we can see. A bird. Is that a pelican? There's a giraffe. Oh, there's a giraffe right in the middle of the screen, way out there. See it. Look, there's the giraffe. Let me zoom. Yeah, look at that.
So that's a cool view back of where we were, looking out. And then there's campfire and more animals. All right.
Look at Jacob on the motorcycle. You ready to go? Grab the handles. There you go. Jacob's going fast. Look at Jacob going fast. Jacob's gonna go fast. Look at him go.
There's the ball coming. There it is. That's pretty awesome. James gets an arcade. There's everybody. We'll have to see that movie, I guess. It's Toy Story. Star Wars. Mandalorian. Jacob's over riding the motorcycle. Whoa! He's making the turns. He got a free Toy Story one too. First I was recording when there's nothing happening. Oh, the end. Wow, look at that.
That's just one ball. I got
One more ball.
Look at that. There's more flamingos here than there are in the animal kingdom. Is that a giraffe? There's a giraffe standing right over there. There's a giraffe right there. That's crazy. So here is the Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Oh, I'm loving it. Okay, yes, you guys can really play that. Okay, watch your step, Jacob. Watch your step. It's okay. Ah, pew pew. There he goes. Up, up. Going up the stairs. Down the Surly slide. There we have Jacob in his natural habitat. Oh, crikey. He runs really fast.